Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off passcode in Zoom meeting. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Zoom homepage. This is where you can access your account settings and manage meeting preferences. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log in first so you can view the controls related to your personal Zoom account. Once you are on the Zoom homepage, look toward the left side navigation area and click on My Account. This will take you into the main account management section where Zoom organizes your profile, settings, and meeting options. If you are using a business or school account, some settings may be controlled by an administrator, so keep in mind that certain options may appear locked. After opening your account area, click on Settings. This section contains a wide range of Zoom preferences, including controls for audio, video, meeting behavior, and security. It is the main place to adjust how your meetings work by default. Inside Settings, select the Meeting tab. This area is specifically focused on features related to your Zoom meetings. Since passcodes are part of meeting access and protection, this is where you will find the option you need. Next, click on Security. The Security section contains settings that help control who can join your meetings and how access is managed. Zoom includes passcodes as a security feature, so this is the correct place to make the change. Now find the toggle button for the meeting passcode setting and click it to turn it off. Once the toggle is disabled, Zoom will no longer require a passcode for meetings covered by that setting. As you make this change, Zoom may ask you to confirm the action. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply approve it to save the update. Before you finish, it is a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the setting remains switched off. That quick check helps confirm the change was applied successfully. Also, remember that turning off a meeting passcode can make it easier for participants to join, but it may also reduce meeting security. If you still want to keep meetings protected without a passcode, you may want to rely on other built-in controls available in your Zoom settings. And that's it. You have now turned off the passcode setting for Zoom meetings through your account settings.